Be a little more gentler.
There goes the hammering.
Yeah, so that's what it is.
I am making chicken tinola. It's a Filipino chicken soup. I feel like I've perfected this recipe, but I do still have to look at the cookbook just to make sure. I didn't really choose a good chayote. It's kind of... I also don't know why I cut it like this. I've never cut it like this before.
Hello, tinola merchant.
Wow. That's all I am to him.
You even got the tank top. Feel like I'm in the Philippines right now. Say kumain na.
Kumain na.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Just like eat now.
Let's just stick to have fun.
Okay. Yeah, it's not equivalent to have fun. It's more something like an auntie would yell out. Okay, boys, kumain na. Like that.
Have fun is the same thing.
Okay, I understand. Oh, my shirts came. Let's hope it's not too short.
What brand?
Pool House, the one that I was trying to get for the longest time.
Oh,
the one that
nice.
flared.
I think the other side. You want to be in it? You want to
I'll
be
walk
my
it.
dog?
No, that's fine. Do your thing and I'll walk with you.
All of us are acknowledged.
Hey! do we pour this on top of it? Yes. Take pour first, and then you pour.
I already took a photo, so you can.
Alright, and first so the bitch. Drip that hoe. Oh, yeah.
YouTube's gonna take my video down.
You're gonna have to put that shit on Pornhub. Whoa! Yeah? Look at that.
Sun is peeking through. I have a event with the tea company, and then I'm gonna try to get a haircut and visit Sunglasses Hut so I can get my sunglasses fixed, hopefully. This haircut is like so overdue. The last time I had a haircut, it was, if you follow me on TikTok, it was the really bad one that was at some random person's house that my mom found on WeChat. That was like probably over a year ago now. Avocado toast on everything bagel. It's my lunch for today.
Bring this type of knowledge and education to the space. So very honored that you're spending day 2 of summer solstice with us and celebrating summer with our last summer limited edition tea Omakase. So thank you so much for being here and being in community. Meeting you all. Nice meeting you. Yay. Exactly. So again, like it's just such an easy way to like add natural sweeteners to your infusion. Or yeah, but since it is a palate cleanser, some people just choose to have it after the tea. Wrong move. No.
But I will say one thing, I was talking to a coworker and I'm like, the more you're around people, you start seeing some of the identifying information. So I was saying, my daughter, like, it's not just good answers, like, very clear now. It was definitely tiny, like, it's very different. a lot of North Americans are like, no, they don't like these Asian weed. And I'm like, oh, you're around them and they're
Wrong move.
Music is loud. I don't even know if you can hear me. But we just voted early. Found out that Yukaku has a rooftop. So this is dinner now. Look at this view. So the umbrella fell on me. So they had to take it away. And it got too hot. So now we're inside. The manager gave us a free bottle of sake, coconut sake. It's actually pretty good. I guess that's the redemption. About to go grocery shopping. It's been so hot in New York, so I am wearing this white dress, one of my favorite dresses from Rehoa's, my red Vivaya flats. Those are like probably my current favorite shoes right now. I got this as a PR package yesterday and I used it yesterday as well, and I am obsessed with it. This is from Mixik. I'm probably saying it wrong, but it's a plumping lip ample. Oh my god, I can't talk today. Usually I dress like a hobo to go grocery shopping, but I kind of wanted to dress nicely. So apricot plump. I've been really liking Liliana by Taka lately. The only thing is, I feel like this scent doesn't really stay on me, but it smells so good. It's like the perfect summer scent if you like light and floral. I know, right?
I hope you guys. I didn't even see what's out there. I want to try
so many good things.
the Hood Up blurring primer.
It's so good.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Do we like our freckles?
I did a whole beat. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Sorry.
Damn, I look pale.
Girl, I look tan. I am tan. I'm gonna be tanner tomorrow or this weekend.
Our apartment is giving away free tacos. I finally uploaded my Hawaii vlog and my sister-in-law was watching it and she got to the part where we were testing this honey and she was like, "Did you get it?" The answer is yes.
Really reminding yourself of what kind of person you'd like to be without even thinking. So
Get my Hello Kitty ice cubes. So cute. I'm using this oat milk from Muala, I think that's how you say it. This is one of those brands that only use 3 ingredients in their oat milk. filtered water, filtered water, organic oats, and Himalayan pink salt. This brand is pretty expensive, and I only get it because this is the only one that comes in a smaller bottle around me. And since I am traveling next week, I didn't want to buy like one of those bigger cartons because I know I wouldn't finish it. Look at that color. And yeah, I didn't spill because I know somebody's gonna say it. Time to... Alright, I'm trying to do a voiceover, and I hate doing voiceovers because I literally can't read to save my life, and I always mess up, and then I have to re-record. Let's see if I can do this in one go, which I probably can't. And I have to wait for the train to pass because you can definitely hear it. If you care about what goes in your food, maybe it's time to care about what goes on your dishes too. Dirty Labs is also packaged in 100... Train. Dirty Labs is also packaged in 100% recyclable cardboard tubes and are vegan, cruelty-free, and septic safe. And I didn't press record. Dirty Labs is also packaged in 100% recyclable cardboard tubes and are vegan, cruelty-free, and septic safe. The best part is that there are no harsh synthetic chemicals, so it's safe for you and the environment. Glasses and dishes sparkly clean. The best part is that there are no harsh synthetic chemicals, so it's safe for you and the environment. Harsh synthetic. The best part is that there are no harsh synthetic chemicals, so it's safe for you. The best part is that there are no harsh synthetic chemicals. The best part is that there are no harsh synthetic chemicals, so it's safe for you and the environment. Dirty Labs is also packaged in 100% recyclable cardboard tubes and are vegan, cruelty-free, and septic safe. And dishes sparkly clean. The best part is that there are no harsh synthetic chemicals, so it's safe for you and the environment. Dirty Labs is also packaged in 100% recycled.